Hello guys, welcome. This is Richard Williams Jr. with Profits of Forex, and I want to thank you guys for tuning into another, tuning into this show and watching this channel. We thank and appreciate you guys. If you haven't, guys, real quickly, like, subscribe, press the notification button so you can be updated when we upload new videos here, new content that helps benefit you. As well as go over to Facebook, follow us over there on Facebook. Request your free invite to the group. It's a free group. And get involved in the conversation over there offline. Definitely, join in the conversation, comment in the conversation below, bring something of worth to the conversation. And that's how we grow here. Your perspective, your knowledge in the market, it all helps. We're all here to learn. Appreciate everything that you guys, and all the support that you guys have shown thus far. So with that being said, today I wanted to go real quickly over the trades we called in our forecasts, right? I wanted to go over the update real fast, and then I'll do my projections in another video. But real quick, guys, we called, I believe, 4 trades was Audi CHF, Audi JPY, Euro, I believe it was Euro CAD, and we did CAD CHF. So I wanted to go over those real fast. As you can see, I'm at Audi CHF, and this is how I always look at my chart. I always start on the weekly. So like we talked about what would happen if, and I would need a good push from that side off of the weekly down to the daily. So when I go down on the daily chart, you can see, guys, when we first looked at this trade on the daily, we only had this candle right here. Right, that's the candle we had. Right, we got a nice push down, and as of now, we're in. If you took this trade up at top, guys, and even if you put your stop roughly at 50 pips, which I would have said, because you could probably did that because of this top in this area. I actually put my stop back here, because I'm going for this all the way down here. We talked about that. So. For me, 100 pips, 80 pips stop. It's not that big because I already got 162, 60, I think that's 63 pips out of this, right? That's 240. And where we're going is going to be almost 400 pips. You get what I'm saying? So what we said was we needed it to move big from this area, which it did. Price might not have moved as fast, but you got to understand on the upper time frames, it takes time for price to turn and change, shift. So we saw price move, and so we're in this trade right now, and we're up 163 pips. All right, guys, and that's off of what we went over in our forecast for the previous week, right? So let's go back on the weekly. We'll go back over real quick. We're going through these right here. All right, so here we go. Once again, we have, this is Audi JPY, guys. Now, I told you, I noticed she was already turning because look, this is high. This is higher highs, but she started making lower lows. All right, that's what I noticed. Price wasn't pushing more upward. Some would say that she probably came down here to this support area. I believe that price is tentatively shifting, right? This is off the weekly. She's going into more of a bearish trend shift. And I told you, even if we're trying to go to that part, that's like 257 pips. If we watch and see what price does here, which we more likely will do. But for now, we're only trading what we see. And what we saw was price that came up there to the structure on the daily. We saw it on the weekly, right? And we knew that we needed a big push from here downward. So guess what? We ended up getting that, right? Right? Stop is back here. You get what I'm saying? Right? Above this top, right? And we were going for 400 and something pips to this bottom, right? But this was going to be our first take profit, 300 some pips, and then our second take profit. And so far, we're almost to that first take profit because we're up 232 pips, guys, on that trade. So if you took that trade and got in and held it, you should be up. You know, guys, this is all it's about. You know, when you use the higher time frames to really dial into your trades, you're setting yourself up a lot more for success because of the overall trend. So with that being said, let's go to CAD CHF. Well, CAD CHF did what I said she was going to do. When we looked at it, price, I'm going to try to zoom in, guys. Price was here. All right. This is where price was. We said, you know, we're already in this for profit. We had closed some positions out. It wasn't, you know, but we did say that if price does come past this area, what we would do, you know. But she came to this area and kind of sat here. So what we ended up doing was closing out our positions. We're waiting for the market to do what she's going to do. Now, when she came back down this way, you could have traded this and you could have, you know, bought back up. I actually didn't get back in this trade. I closed out my position, so I'm no longer in this trade for the moment. But I could have held. Actually, I believe I still got one position open. Forgive me, guys, I do. So I still got one position open because I got in here. So I closed all my positions out, and I have one position open in this. Hopefully, price breaks up. If it doesn't, then it's not really a loss at all. That's, you know, it's all good. That's all part of trading, right? So then we got Euro CAD. Forgive me. We got Euro CAD. All right. So Euro CAD, we had definitely paid us to sell. We knew what we wanted. We wanted price to do what? To get a strong push down from here. Well, we didn't, but we did get a nice, strong indecision candle on the weekly. Then we got price to sit here and hold here. Okay. Hold here. What we're looking for is for price to break out of this area. That red area. Let me move this green box for now. We're looking for it to break out of this area. And then once we see it break here, move down, we get a strong push here. And we'll see as price moves here, how price begins to flow. And no, this will be our first take profit. That's 600 something pips. All right, guys. So right now, Euro Audi is still building up. It hasn't quite moved yet, but I'm already in for 3 positions up here. When price came up here, I got in. And when price came up here, I got in again. And price came back, I got in again. So 3 positions here, just waiting for the market to break through. When the market comes through this point of consolidation, you know, we should see a good move push to the downside. And that's what we're projecting. Nothing's ever guaranteed. And in trading, that's not this is not advice and telling you to go out and do it. Just showing you my perspective on the market. Not giving you financial advice, none of that, but this is what I believe the market would do. All right. So those are our 4 trades that we forecasted, in our videos. So I'm going to upload another video that's going to actually go through, I believe 2 more pairs. I believe that are set up nice and good, for this week. I'm going to share with you guys because, you know, if you got in these trades, you kind of already have a couple out there. And we'll see where that goes. All right, guys. And, I thank you guys for tuning in. Once again, if you are new to the channel, like, subscribe, press the notification button, guys. Comment in the comment section below. Go to the Facebook group, request your free invite to the group. Join the conversation over there. Bring something of value to the conversation as well in the comments group, so that we all can build each other up. This is what we are. We're all on the same journey together. Maybe maybe at more different stages, but we're all on the same journey. And look forward to seeing where you guys are from here and a couple months from now, and your trading and and how it's bettering your life, all that stuff. And so I'm looking forward to seeing all the great things that come from you guys as elite traders. Cause that's what we believe you are. So with that being said, guys, I thank you for tuning in once again. And till next time, guys, this is Richard Williams Jr. from Profits of Forex, where trading is simplified.